Alright guys, I'm checking out from my hostel right now. So that was my stay in Mad Monkey. Oh, it was a crazy party hostel guys. I really recommend you guys to come here. It's very clean, very affordable, very nice. And yeah, let's move to the other hostel. We are heading to Lub D right now. So that will be my place for another 2 nights. And I heard that there is a pool party happening there today. So yeah, let's go and experience that. Actually, there was a pool party happening in Mad Monkey today, but then since I have to change my hostel, so I won't be able to join them. Hopefully I'll get a chance to experience the pool party in Lub D. And yeah, let's go get something to eat now. Oh, last night was crazy. Hope you guys watched my previous video on last night pub crawl we had. Oh, the pub crawl was crazy guys. It was really amazing. Yeah, so let's go and get some local food now. I've never eaten any local food since I arrived here, so I'm looking to eat something nice, and I'll see you guys once I've finished eating. Cheers. This is how the street of Siem Reap looks like. I'm heading to one of the restaurant here. I saw on Google the review was not bad, it was quite good. And yeah, hopefully the price would be affordable. I'll share with you guys all the detail. How was the price, how is the price of the food here, how's the quality, how's the taste. But yeah, it's not bad. I'll say if I compare this place to Thailand, Bangkok or Phuket, they are generally more cleaner than here, and they are more developed, I'll say. So here Siem Reap is pretty nice, but I'd say Bangkok and Thailand is pretty much better generally. And yeah, the food here is pretty expensive as well, but I'm not sure how about the local shops here, because yesterday I ate in my hostel, so that was quite expensive though. And yeah, my restaurant is here, so let's go get something to eat. Really hungry. It's a sunny day, so probably I'll get myself a beer. Why not, right? A cold beer on a sunny day. Alright guys, I've just finished eating. Yeah, I had their local food. It's called amok. Oh, it's fantastic guys. I had amok chicken. That was their local cuisine food. There's another one called lok lok. It pronounced something like that, lok lok. Yeah, I haven't really tried that. Probably the next I'll try that. But amok is really nice. And yeah, it was quite cheap, just $2.50. Yeah, USD. Not bad though. And yeah, so let's get going to my party hostel, Lub D. Probably I'll get a tuk-tuk, cause it's about 15 minutes walk, and I'm pretty tired right now. And yeah, and I'll see you guys once I'm at the hostel. Yeah, sure. Let's have some tuk-tuk experience on Cambodia. It's quite fun. It's pretty much different than Thailand. Yeah, it's pretty nice here. Woo! Oh, alright, alright. Alright guys, we have arrived to my next hostel. It's called Lub D. So this will be my place for another 2 nights. And yeah, it's pretty clean here. So let me give you guys a tour of Lub D. There's no any pool party happening today. I asked the reception, they said it only happens once a week on Wednesday, every Wednesday. And yeah, let me show you guys how it looks like. That's the pool. I thought there was a pool party happening today, but then it only happens once a week, every Wednesday. Yeah, so those of you guys who are looking for a pool party here at Lub D, maybe you guys can plan your trip. And this is the reception area at the back of me. Yeah, it's just once you guys entered after the pool, you will see the reception is just right in front. The rooms here are pretty clean, not like Mad Monkey. And yeah, there's more privacy here. And yeah, it's pretty much quiet here compared to Mad Monkey Hostel. It was very noisy there, very entertaining, a lot of people, you know. And yeah, I'll show you guys how my room looks like. Welcome to my room. So each one of you guys will be getting a locker. This is the locker, and you can hang your clothes. Yeah, it's pretty amazing, pretty huge though. There are some people sleeping, so I can't really talk very loud. So this is my place. Yeah, it's pretty big. There's a lot of space. You can put your stuffs. Like I put my bag here. Yeah, it's pretty comfortable. Like when I was in Mad Monkey, the place was not that spacious, not very spacious. So here the space is quite huge, and yeah, it's very nice. It's very clean here especially. So yeah, this is my place for 2 nights. Lub D. I got it for 15 USD. Yeah, it's not bad though. And yeah, let's have some rest now. I'm gonna have some rest. I'm quite tired since last night pub crawl. And yeah, I'll be going to Pub Street tonight again to make a video for the nightlife of Siem Reap, because last night I was too busy with the group. I couldn't show you guys how's the nightlife here. So today is Saturday. I hope the nightlife here would be amazing. Yeah, so let's wait and I'll show you guys what's the nightlife tonight. Alright guys.